Morning, Gio. How's it going? Morning, Justin. I'm doing pretty good. It's pretty bad weather here in Michigan right now, though. Really rainy outside, dark. The time change makes it weird. It's really dark out really early now. It was like pitch black at 5 o'clock yesterday. But doing good. How was your guys' weekend? Mine was pretty good. I watched the Lions win yesterday. It's good. I don't know if you guys are seeing some of these results from SBS in the chat. Wizard tested some, I was doing a lot of testing this week. I'm not going to share it quite yet because I'm fine-tuning stuff, but then I have the update running. I'll show you guys that, but 1 minute chart from August 5th to the 20th of September, 7,100 profit, 6K drawdown, but that was running 24/7. You can see there's certain times that are better, like 5 a.m. to 11 a.m. was pretty green, 4 a.m. was negative, right? So you could have set some avoid times. 15-second chart was down for that same time, but again, there's certain times that work well, like the 9 to 10 a.m. right here, or this chunk here. But Wizard put some good stuff in the chat. Here as well as a 1 second chart. Also had some pretty green time, some red time, so you could have set some avoids in there. And then media just put in the chat, he ran 1 minute for the entire September contract. And so 617 to 1011. And it ended at $16,000 of profit with a $3,600 drawdown. Really good. You can see certain days were down, right? By month here, it looked like this month is down a little bit, then 3 greens. By time here, so some good stuff in the chat. EST, yeah, EST. So good stuff in the chat. Let me show you guys the update. So the update, I know there's not tons of you in here, but there's enough. So the update, which we're still fine-tuning some things, so I'm not going to give it out yet. I'll I'll probably give it to the lifetime people first, just to make sure, make sure it's functioning how I want it to. We have a option. I'll show you guys here. So profit settings here. We have a drop down box so you can scale out at 0.236. So these are fib levels. 0.236 of the fib, 0, scale out at 236 and 2 to 1, exit all 2 to 1, exit all at the 0 on the fib, which is like the swing high. You can enter a custom risk reward, exit at 236 and user risk rewards, right? So there's options here. Okay, the default right now is 2 to 1. Okay, max profit and loss, we're still working out some things with this, but you'll be able to put in something here if you want. Okay, it does work on micros, Ryan, yes. And then we have avoid times here, so you can avoid start, avoid end, so punch in when you want it to avoid. That's the majority of the update. So yeah, that is the majority of the update. So I just thought I'd show you guys that. Still fine-tuning some things, so I'm not gonna give it out yet, but yeah, it's working well lately. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it keeps performing for you guys. No reason why it wouldn't, right? But it's gonna have, weeks that are really green, weeks that are a little red, right? Months that are really green, maybe a month that it's a little red, right? It's a long-term algo. It's just been doing really, really good the past couple weeks, so Justin, I know you've been doing pretty well for the most part. Nico Blue, I've been doing pretty well. Chris been doing pretty well. I think yeah, everyone's been doing pretty well with it, so hopefully it can continue. I just, a lot of people message me like, hey, I wanna pass my eval this week, and I'm like, just don't buy our stuff, just leave. Like, it's meant to be a month-to-month thing, not a day-to-day. Like, people get so worked up with, oh my gosh, it just lost a trade. Oh my gosh, it just lost. Oh my gosh, it's a red day today. Like some people last week, I think it was red on Friday when I told everyone to trade sim, right? And people were like, oh, it was a red day. I'm like, yeah, I told you guys it probably wouldn't work well today. And then they're like, oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. And then I'm like, didn't it make like $4,000 on default settings Monday through Thursday? And you guys are complaining about like down $800 on a Friday? You gotta think long term, guys. That's all. I know it's not all of you. You gotta think long term though. Don't think day to day. Don't even really think week to week. Just at the end of the month, just go back and be like, all right, this is how we did this month. What should I try for next month? Some people, man. Gosh. Some people, guys, some people cause so many problems for me. Sheesh. How are you guys doing today? You guys running L2? Are you running SBS today? Tell me what you guys are doing today. Are you waiting for the election to be over? Personally, that's what I'll be doing. To run a legit account again, but running both. Nice. 1 minute win on MNQ auto last night for me. Nice. Running SPS settings for the weekend. Nice. I didn't run NQ Trader last night, but let's see how it did. Probably, ooh, that looks, well, actually, maybe 1 win. Let's see. I didn't run it last night. One loss for NQ. Looks like here. But let's check MNQ. Same thing for me, it shows, but you know, I'm waiting until after the election. Yeah, I am, Gio. So far, I really like it. I really do like it. It kind of sucks though. Friday, first day I had it, was a really bad day for me. Yeah, this is the ping we have to Rhythmic here. So ping. Oh. Let me redo that. So right here, time less than 1 ms here. Less than 1 ms, so that's straight to the Rhythmic server. Which is pretty good. Not running default. Gotcha, Kevin. Justin SBS on NQ and YM is on eval. Eval is unfunded. Good luck, Justin. Good luck. Just a heads up, guys. I'm only saying this because we just had someone do this, but our WAP page, you know, our website, our WAP page, right, this, right, there is a no refund policy because they're mainly all monthly subscriptions. Okay, you can see in the description, no refunds, right? Cancel at any time, but no refunds. And you know, you guys agree to that when you actually buy something through our refund policy. And that's because it causes problems. Monthly subscriptions you can cancel whenever you want, right? Just no refunds. But if people open and ask for, say, you know, fraudulent purchase or something like that, you know, you just cause them problems. So come to me first instead of doing that, because the only reason I should give refunds to people is if you like double charge your card or something like that. But please don't cause problems. That's all I ask. Don't be that guy that buys something for a day or a week and then just says, oh, fraudulent purchase on my credit card. You know, don't be that guy, please. I have a lot of those people happen, and I frankly just ban them afterwards. So they're just gone. They're never seen again. Morning. Oslo? Is that how you say your name? Oslo? Morning, Tim. We still have an hour. I didn't realize I was starting that early, but my plan is I'll arm a minute after the open, and we'll have a race. We'll have a race to who can hit 2,000 first. Who can hit 2,000 first? Yeah, for everyone just joining too. Yeah, daily saving. What was I saying? For the SBS users that are just joining, I'm running an update, so mine may look a little different, but we have the only thing new in the update here is going to be profit settings. So there's different ways you can take profit here. The 236 is going to skew your risk reward obviously a little bit. It's going to be 1-to-1 usually, or maybe a little less than 1-to-1. Like, just depends on your entry where the fib is drawn. But 0.236 you can scale. A 0 you can scale, which the 0 is usually like the number 3, where the number 3 high or low is. Exit at 2-to-1, exit at 0. Can enter a custom risk reward and scale out here and risk reward, right? So a lot of options. And then we're incorporating this. We're still fine-tuning this, but max profit loss here, and avoid times. So you can set avoid times for a certain news event or something. Okay. Just thought I'd show you guys that, but yeah, if you're running today, be safe. I'm waiting till after the election, personally. Testing a Ninzarenko bar up here, testing, well, 1 minute is default. We have that in here. Something I tested over the weekend here, so let me show you guys this actually. Just a couple tests I ran. So I ran a 16 range chart, 1-to-1 risk reward. Settings are here. Don't ask me how I got them. Sensitivity 1 was 1. Sensitivity 2 was 0.0005. Don't ask me how I got them, okay? Max bar is 20, okay? There you go. This was the test I had. So from October 24th, right here, October 24th to October 31st, 6,600 profit, right? And yeah, that was a week, 6,600 profit, 1,600 drawdown. I tested further back and it was didn't perform quite as well at the beginning of October. I just thought I'd test range chart because I haven't tested range chart yet. But that was a good last week. And yeah, this was without NFP, still 5,200. Tested a 100 tick chart as well for the past week, made 1,600 with 1,900 drawdown. I think range charts are gonna be, if you can fine tune a range chart, or a Renko chart, it'd be good because it reads the pivots so smooth. Like, let me show you. Like these, it just reads it so nice. The swing points, which I didn't even think about testing Renkos or anything because it's not usually how SBS is traded. But it reads it so well. Find a good bar size, find a good sensitivity, could work really good. Same with range charts. Range charts a little more messy, but still could form. So, but yeah, default 1 minute. That's always going to be my go-to. So, yeah. Hopefully we have a good day, Ollie. I agree. We're on a VPS now, right? If you guys want the Breeze Host VPS, I did put my link right here. So, in the VPS link at the top, I think it's 0.7. So if you go onto their website, go to hosting, go to futures trading, 0.7 MS to NinjaTrader CME. Rhythmic, right? They have a couple different ones. I got this one just because, you know, why not? I would probably go with the $60 one for, unless, you know, I wouldn't go with this one basically. I would go with one of these two because you want a little more than 4 CPU cores and 8 gigs of RAM. But yeah, works really, really well. 0.7 MS, so, and you get it for $60. Yeah, really good. Link there. Boon, looks like it ran fine. Go plus 450 early morning trade. Awesome. Yeah, I got you, Justin. So, yeah, I just DM'd you back, but right now, you know, it's mainly coded around NQ and MNQ, right? Or something with a similar tick size. So like YM is a similar tick size to NQ, right? Something like ES doesn't have similar tick movement. Gold, oil, like those don't have similar tick movements, hence why it may not work as well. I don't know if you've messed with the sensitivities a lot, or the bar look back feature, but eventually we're gonna work on that more. It's just, you know, we're catering to the majority. I think majority of people like to trade NQ, right? Eventually though, we will fine tune it more for the other products like ES or, you know, the Russell or something like that, right? Also with Breeze Host, this is my ping to the CME servers directly. So 2ms to the CME servers directly, but a 0.7 ms to Rhythmic servers. Right now I'm only running Sim because I want to wait till after the election. I have a account ready for it though. I would also not go with a firm like Top Step for SBS because the contract limiting thing can cause problems. One firm that you could go with, Tradeify. Okay, Ninja Trader Access. They have an advanced account. Okay, some rules here. 100k account, trailing max drawdown, intraday trailing, right? The growth account, end of day drawdown with 3,500 drawdown. And if you can go straight to a sim funded account. And this one, probably your best deal. Might as well spend the extra $70. 150k account, fully funded right away. 15 minis, 150 micros. Daily loss limit 3750, trailing end of day drawdown 7500. And they have 35% off straight to sim funded, so this would be 700. So so it would cost you $455 for this. Okay, I mean it's expensive, but by the time you get other evals and pay for the, you know, eval, you pay to activate the account, all that, it equals a few $100 anyway. So option there with Tradeify. Okay. What's another firm that you guys may like? Take Profit Trader, I believe, is pretty good. They have 40% off for life, never pay activation. Yeah, get a 150k account, end of day, right? Or eval oriented, but Tradeify is looking pretty good, so. Yeah, I agree, Gio. Tradeify 7,500 drawdown for 150k. That's equivalent to the Apex 300k account, which you have to obviously pass the eval for, which would cost you $200-300 for the eval. Then you have to pay, you know, $150 for an activation. You end up paying $450 anyway. And Tradeify gets you straight there, and it's end of day. It's not trailing. So if you guys are looking for something to use for like the SBS trader or even L2, I would do something like that, like fast track trading when they come out NinjaTrader as well. Like Tradeify, for example, with the SBS trader, if you get that 150k, you have 7,500 max drawdown. I would put the SBS trader on like a 250, 300 risk, go to MNQ. You would almost never have to worry about losing the account, right? Do some of your own tests or whatever, but like just to show you, let me see where it was. Like Kevin yesterday ran Ninzarenko's 250 risk from basically all of October to current, and it was up $9,000 on 250 risk, and max drawdown was around 750, so call it $1,000, right? Slow and steady wins the race with that, right? The more slow you take it, right, the more chance you have of getting a payout. And people come here and are like, I want to get a payout right now, this week, this month. You're gonna blow an account, almost guarantee it. You got to take it real slow, trade small, so that you can keep trading the same account, right? That's where people get confused. Like I know last week, a couple people passed some evals with the SBS trader just from last week, which is awesome. But there's a very high chance you can blow that, because if you pass it in a week, that means you have a decent amount of risk on the account, which is fine for some people, but you know, just keep that in mind. The quicker you try and do something, the more likely you are going to blow it up. Versus if you just traded small, kept the account for 3 months, right? Trade small, keep the account for 3 months, you probably get a, you know, good sized payout. Not guaranteeing anything because I can't do that, but just gotta stay consistent. I'll make some backtesting content for you guys as well, because I know people want to see backtesting content for SBS. And people have also been asking me like, Joey, why don't you live stream SBS, right? I have it up here, right? But you guys aren't going to be excited by this. If I watch this all morning, there's not much exciting about it. It's not meant to be exciting, right? It's meant to make you some money. And you're not meant to watch it all day. You're meant to turn it on like this and go do some other things, right? Come back, check on the trade if it takes a trade, right? But you're not meant to just sit here and watch it all morning. Might not take a trade all morning, so it's not like this where on L2 you're gonna get, like, I guarantee you we get 50 trades this morning, right? It's not like that. When we get a little closer to starting the day, I will share the settings here once more people roll in. We have market decoy settings on the left, and we have Connor ES settings on the right. And again, 0.7 ms ping, 0.7 ping to the Rhythmic servers. I got 70 gigabytes on this thing. Pretty nice though. I didn't realize what I was missing out on with the VPS. I literally walked away, turned this off on my computer, turned on my phone last week, and I turned on L2Azimuth on my phone. I was in the living room. I was trading it. Made like $1,500 in the last 20 minutes of market through the phone. I'm not adjusting the settings, no. I'm just changing the colors of the AC4. But the settings are Normal, yeah. Is Connor going live today? If you guys don't mind, as you're rolling in, please drop a like on the live stream. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Okay. Really, really appreciate it. Um, 11 likes, guys. If we get to 30 likes on the day, that'd be awesome. So, thank you very much. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do something. What was I gonna do? You guys remember? Oh, I was gonna check if Connor was live streaming. Let's see. Nothing scheduled. Looks like Ollie's starting the day out pretty good. Yeah, only change settings on Azimuth. Yeah, I'll show the settings I'm running here in 20 minutes or so. So we got about 25 minutes till the market opens or so. Hopefully we can have a good day. If you guys are rolling in, drop a like, join the Discord. There's a link to our Discord in the description down below. If you guys are looking to buy L2Azimuth, link in the description as well. Yeah. Yeah, there's an Apex 80% off, but I don't think Apex is doing any discounts right now, which is very odd of them. Let me check. Nope, that's really odd. Yeah, really odd. I think the only way Apex becomes the best firm again is they need to change it to a end of day drawdown instead of a trailing drawdown. And they need to actually, yeah, they need to not require video evidence for payouts for people, but they do allow auto traders now, so they do allow bots. Nate, I'm gonna show him in just like 15 minutes. I think he has him on his channel, but I'll show him in 15 minutes or so. I just want to wait till get a little closer to market opens. Do we have a year back tested? We don't have a year back tested, but we have quite a bit back tested. I think if you back test too far away, it's just doesn't really matter, because in my eyes, because it only matters how it works live and in current market conditions. Like you might backtest October and find that these settings are working good, so that might mean this is closer to market conditions now, so these are going to work good for this month. But if you backtest 6 months ago with certain settings or sensitivities, you might get poor results, but the market was completely different 6 months ago. You know what I'm saying? But we have a good amount back tested. I mean, we wouldn't release it if we didn't know it worked pretty good, so. Holy crap, there's 2,000 lots there at like 57 something. It disappeared. 2,000 lots. Is that a spoof? Yeah, 78.75 or 58.75 right here. Right here. There was 2,000 lots sitting here. Dex lost already? It's alright. That's alright. We got 35 people in here. I'll just show the settings. Okay, so remember at 9:05 a.m. we showed settings. So left side market decoy. Here we go. Market decoy settings here, more trespass oriented. Okay. Limit orders 2 and 4. Okay. Counter spoof 2.2, 5, 2, 2. Okay. Trespass 2.2, 5, 2.5. Dex array 772. Okay. Again, this is more trespass oriented. Risk tolerance, this doesn't really matter because it's on high risk, but this is the rest of them. Number of bars for machine learning, 1200. Okay. And that's it for that. And then in our data series, we have 3200 bars loaded, which shouldn't really matter because we don't have the microcongruity on. And then on the right side, we have Connor. Okay. Connor settings, we have limit orders 3 and 6. Okay. Counter spoof, Connor is more counter spoof oriented. So we have the L2ES Connor spoof. I called it Connor spoof ATM strategy. Instead of counter spoof, it's Connor spoof. Spoof ratio 2.25, 4, 1, and 2. I try. That's the goal. Appreciate that, Val. Trespass 2.55, 2.5, Dex array 772. These don't really matter because we're not using microcongruity. Machine learning bars 3000. Okay. And then 3200 bars loaded, 8 range chart. And then the Connor spoof is a little different. I just copied what he had. 5 contracts, that's whatever you want, but 5 stop loss, 4 profit. That's default Connor spoof. And then the trespass, Connor has 5 and 4 as well. The default is 4 and 3. Okay. And then default Dex array. Okay, so I have those selected in here as well. Connor spoof and Connor trespass. And then over here we have the defaults, just regular, right? So drop a like, guys. We're almost to 30 likes. We're getting close. Still getting close, guys. Alright, someone just disliked it. I mean, unliked it, so that's not very cool. That's not cool. Get out of here. But yeah, market Decoy settings on the left, Connor settings on the right. 905, we shared settings. I'll make a little thing in the chat. Alright, I started a poll, because why not? You missed out, kind of going crazy. Yeah, what did he say? What did he say? Level up? You know, to be honest, not a ton of people are using level up. I mean, we've been mainly focused on NQ Trader and SBS Trader. We're gonna lower the price of level up though because it is too expensive, so we're gonna lower that so more people can try it out. It works good, it does work good, it's just too expensive. So yeah, we like to cater to what people like, and I think people enjoyed NQ Trader more, so we focused on NQ Trader more, and people are gonna like SBS more, so we're gonna focus on SBS and NQ Trader, which are our two babies, you know. So there was a troll saying he wasn't getting the same trades as Connor when everyone else already confirmed they were. That's awesome. I know Curtis went into Connor's live stream and said something about he said something along the lines of, Joey's SBS trader is so much more simple, and everyone gets very similar results, unlike L2Azimuth. And then Connor's like, oh, I disagree with that. Most people are getting the same trades here, whatever. And then I'm like, whoa, Curtis, calm down. And then Connor goes, he comes back to my chat and he goes, oh shoot, I meant to type that in here and not Connor's chat. But that was funny. That was funny. I was like, Curtis, you're gonna get me in trouble, man. You are gonna get me in trouble. Alright guys, 22 likes, let's get 8 more likes. Alright. Morning, Peachy. Okay, like, who's doing this, man? Look at this. Are you kidding me? Did you like, what of the 6% said no on this? Which of the 6% said they didn't like the live? Like, what? Come on. That's so not cool. So not cool, man. Yeah, that's alright. Happens, pal. Best out of all you tried. Which one are you talking about, Inspector? Are you talking about level up? I haven't updated the description and stuff. I think SBS traders are gonna be our best algo. SBS and NQ trader. So I think level up was just as good as NQ or better. Our backtest shows that actually made a little more profit. Had more drawdown though. People like less drawdown. So I think NQ trader better in that sense, and SBS trader is going to be our best out of all of them. So, Peachy, I think it's hard if you're not used to reading chat live. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I mean, sometimes there's some savages, and you know, I've noticed. You know, how can I word this? You know how I give some sass back to people, right? Like if people are giving me sass, I'll sass them right back. Just delete their comment. Like I'll just hide them from the channel. I can click a button, so it just hides them, right? So if they sass me, I sass them back. And Connor used to just be pretty chill. He's very professional. Not that he's not professional, but he's very professional. Kept it very PG. And I love it now that he's like becoming a savage. I love it. He's getting some of me in him on the live streams, you know. Someone says something, he just sasses them around back and like, you're gone, instead of being like, I love it. Yeah. Patrick Whelan, same. Yeah. I mean, he's a character, but he is funny. He is funny. I mean, he's everything that the, I guess, quote unquote, average trader says you shouldn't be. All excited, you know, when you get a winner. You know, he's a beast. Yeah. I mean, he's making great payouts. You can't deny it, you know. But yeah. Alright guys, almost to 30 likes, and then I'll stop asking. We're at 24 likes. I'm actually one of the likes, so we're really only at 23, but he did, Brad. Rewind to 9:05, so 10 minutes ago, I shared the settings. We have Connor settings on the right, and Market Decoy on the left. Not yet. He said Tuesday. We'll see if it does happen on Tuesday. Right now, the best L2Azimuth community is our Discord. That's what I think, so. I would join ours. I know you're probably already in ours, but for the other people, right? The other people. Yeah, I have been seeing people enjoying it, so we're gonna try it today, and we're gonna see how it goes. So, getting a lot of counter spoof. I just upped the sensitivity. Well, if you have micro congruity off, you are gonna get a lot of trades. So, different contract amounts. Yes. Over here, Connor was just running 5. I could keep it at 4. Well, we'll just keep it at 4 because that's what it is over here. So we'll keep it equal. And then counter spoof was also 4. We'll keep it at 4. Same contract amount. I just was copying Connor's ATM, so 4 and 4. Micro, I have not, no. Again, for the people that are just joining, we do have SBS algo in the background, okay? Again, I have it running, but it's, it's meant to be, our algo is more set, forget, and less action, right? Just make you money. It's not supposed to be fun, exciting, just supposed to make you money in the long run. So not as exciting to live stream, so that's why we're not, gonna be live streaming it too much. That's about it. No other reason. So you guys know I'm transparent with stuff. Gotcha, Matt. 26 likes, we're almost there. Almost to 30, and then I'll shut up. Nate. Oh, I missed that, Nate. Hey, good luck on the Market Decoy Sim Connor Apex Evo. Good luck, good luck. I'm not sure how a VPS is going to impact stuff. I don't know if you guys have any thoughts, but like, would a VPS matter much on limit orders, like using limit orders? I would imagine it probably wouldn't, but maybe it would. So I don't know, maybe you guys would know more on that, but we do have 0.7 ping to Rhythmic servers. So all good. Do we have 2 Rhythmics open? No. Better chance of fill on touch, okay. Getting the queue earlier. Oh yeah, that makes sense, I guess. Would that change much on sim though? Or an eval? It probably still would a little bit, but. But I do like the VPS though. Can go on it from my phone, fast internet. Go on it from my MacBook, right? Real nice. My arm, for some reason, is sore. For what reason, though? No idea. Welcome to everyone joining though. If you guys don't mind dropping a thumbs up on the live stream, dropping a sub as well, so we can reach 3,000 subs in the near future. And yeah, if you guys want to join Discord, link in the description. A lot of awesome people in there. So even Connor's in there. Connor is in the Discord. He's just lurking somewhere. I don't know his username, but. That'll be interesting. A micro challenge. Doing a micro challenge in sim. Ah, nice. All right, so we got 5 minutes. Glad we're getting close. 5 minutes. I've been streaming for an hour, which is fine. Yeah, guys, I would recommend joining the Discord. It's free to join. There's a link in the description. Whole bunch of stuff in here. We have our algos here on this link here. We have L2Azimuth chat here. A coding bots chat. So if you're trying to code your own stuff, a lot of help in here. One of our developers, algos. Results from our algos, regular chats, a lot of stuff. So definitely worth joining. I mean, it doesn't hurt to join, so. market's picking up a little. I'm curious to see how much volume we're gonna have. So market's down quite a bit though. From like a week ago. Did we have news? Oh, that's... Never mind. I'm not sure. I think there's definitely an advantage, yeah. I'm not sure how much of an advantage though. I've only had a VPS for a day. Yep, 9:05 a.m. Eastern. So approximately 22 minutes ago. There was settings I went over. We're gonna wait the first minute because, you know, really you shouldn't be arming right on the open. So we're gonna wait 1 minute and then we're gonna arm and then we're gonna see how it goes. I gotta pee, but I'm gonna hold it. You should turn concordant on. Why would I turn concordant on? Odyssey? Am I missing something? Oh, this? That's just how you turn the software on, no? Or are you talking to someone else? Probably. I was confused for a second, but... we got a minute and a half or so till we're gonna arm. Welcome everyone to the live stream. Let's have a good day. Let's have a good day. Again, market decoy settings on the left and Connor settings on the right. From what I know, I believe I have the correct settings. So settings were shared at 9:05 Eastern, approximately 25 minutes ago. Hopefully we have a some good movement today. And we don't have a day that it just moves 4 points back and forth, so. Market is open. 2 decks already. What, in the 10 seconds? Gonna arm it in 20 seconds. Just kind of letting the first minute settle. Okay. We're on high. Connor settings on the right here. Again, market decoy on the left. I've had 3 trades missed. Or trades missed. Okay, 1 and 1 for both. Okay, a loss. Just gonna let it run. So we're on sim. Whatever happens, happens, right? All good. All good at the end of the day, right? They're canceling quick. I'm burning a hole. Yikes. That's okay. I'm not sure if I should have microcongruity on. I think Connor had it off for most of his stream, so. I'm really interested in how Market Decoys does though, because a lot of people have been liking his stuff, so. A sell versus a buy. You would turn microcongruity on? Yeah, well, we're gonna run it off today, that's alright. More of the same trades with others using the same settings. I am on VPS, yes. I just saw Connor had microcongruity off for a majority of his stream. So I just wanted to, you know, try that. I've never used microcongruity off before on ES, so you know, that's why we're testing things today, right? We are testing things, so again, the first few minutes are always, you know, going to be a little sketchy, generally, so. You guys let me know how you do though. Alright. Both just try to take a short there, but gonna start in a couple, yeah. Yeah, first few minutes are always more sketchy, right? Trespass sell? Interesting, I didn't see that show up as a limit, but that one lost. Again, this one's more trespass oriented on the left, and this one's more counter spoofed on the right. I'll just turn that down because it's kind of annoying. Buy, sell, opposites. And the sell looks like it just wants to lose, but sell does lose. Again, I haven't used, I haven't not had microcongruity deselected before, so you know, I have no idea how we're gonna do. I'm not getting many fills. I'm not really getting too many either. A lot of mine just cancel. But hey, you're green, Nate. Yeah, the limits it can save you, but also does, I mean, like this trade, you know, we would have maybe gotten in short right around here, taken profit already without the limit, like we just marketed in. Same with that trade, we would have marketed in around here, taken profit. So, you know, generally the limits are a little safer, but markets also, we would be winning a good amount of them, so. And especially with when you get trendier markets, you do tend to just have all of them cancel, right? Because it's not pulling back enough to tap you in. So, like this one. Let's see. Nice. That was an instant win. Tapped us and just freeloaded up. That's good. Futures Odyssey, like myself. And market Decoy, we actively switch on and off scanners, so high volatility. Yeah, I do understand that, yeah. I like to not touch it too much, but I know I watched Market Decoy's stuff, he does turn scanners on and off. But, you know, most of his trades are all trespass. And Connor as well, you know, he had trespass off at the start of his stream, but then he turned it back on and kind of just let it go. So, just kept it on. Left chart. I'm gonna get more losses, obviously, with microcongruity off, but potentially more wins as well. So, I'm just testing. Whatever happens, you know, it's whatever. So. Connors was up 500 there. I think we might be up more without the limits this morning so far, just because of how trendy it's been, but also we could, I mean, maybe we'd be down. I'm not sure. It depends on what our fills would have been. Couple losses in a row here, looks like. Yep, couple losses in a row there on Connors. Back to flat, so was up 500, back to flat. You know, we've had quite a few trades as well. Each trade costs about $25 of commissions on Apex, so, you know, we'd have quite a bit of commissions already. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure, Bell. Not sure. Trespass and counter spoof at the same point. Both get canceled. I know Connors wasn't in profit much until, you know, he was live streaming for a while, so he was live streaming for a while on Friday. So I'm not expecting necessarily to be in profit much. He was actually down, I think he was down like 800 bucks or something in the first hour, you know, and then he made it a lot next hour, but yep, nice, gotcha. Need to get more of a cushion, because right now we're basically flat with how many trades you've gotten, if you include commissions. A lot of canceling trades there, huh? There. Counter spoof sell. Lost, and this didn't take it. Keep that up in the back. Trendy, that's for sure. I know Connor didn't start till 9:45, I think, as well on Friday, but got 2 trade wins. I do get a lot of canceled trades from the limits, but I mean, as expected, you know. I'm just used to marketing in, so I'm not used to the limits. Another loser. Quite a bit of, I mean, we'd be down from the commissions quite a bit already. I don't know if I can counter in commissions into this. Looks, we've had 6 trades. So we'd have $120 of commissions already. Justin, SBS chat. Here we go. We got Justin. YM win on the eval. Short here, 42,174. Caught that move. Awesome. $700. Justin, remember, take your money and run this week with the election and stuff. Take your money and run. Good stuff. You liking YM more than NQ, Justin? So we'd be basically flat with commissions. I've never been a huge trespass fan, so I'm hoping, you know, Market Decoy's settings make me like it more. And I know Market Decoy turns stuff on and off more. I do understand that. But I like to just kind of let it play out and then see how I can improve later, right? Very trendy market this morning though, which does cause problems. It does cause problems, so. Like trespass is not good in trendy markets generally. As you can see, we're down a decent amount this morning. So, you know, trespass generally does better in chop, right? Or more rangy conditions. I won't say chop, but I don't know. SBS, yeah, it does seem to work well on YM. Yeah, but it's nice, $700 on the eval. I won't tell you what to do, but you know, I would definitely consider taking some money out and running away. Yeah, I'm not sure how a VPS is impacting my trades compared to you guys, if you guys are doing the same thing. Not sure, so. We're kind of up and down with counters, and Market Decoys we're hovering negative, but maybe we're crawling back a little bit here. The only thing is the losses are bigger than the wins. Losses are bigger than the wins, but that's all right. I mean, that's how it is. If you guys are just joining and are new, please drop a like on the live stream, drop a sub. Like this trade, if we got filled, I would think is a good fill. It's so trendy that I have a feeling we might just blast through, as we look like we're doing right there. As soon as we start moving up, we tend to just pop right now, and that's, yeah, exactly. So I would have thought that would be a good trade, but it's just so trendy, you know, it's so trendy. I was gonna say, if we could have gotten tapped in there, I would have liked that for that long into that limit order there. Now we're in some derived zones, not the highest quality trade. But again, we're just letting it run, and we're gonna look back later and see. So we're just going from up 500 to down to up 500 to down. We've done that twice already. I do think the limits might be hurting a little bit, yeah, maybe. I mean, right now, with just how trendy it is, yes. If it was more choppy, then they would be helping us, so it's... really depends, right? But, like, we would have gotten in for a sell right here at 58.50. Let's see if we move away. Do get tapped in there. It's like a limit right there. We would have already stopped. Or a market right there, we would have stopped out already. Limit, we're not stopped out quite yet, but I mean, bullish market, so another loss. Another loss there. V-shaped reversal as well. V-shaped reversal, very strong. You do not want to trade against a V-shaped reversal too much, so probably bullish for the morning here. Probably pretty bullish for the morning. Okay. Same with NQ. Looks like a V-shaped reversal. Really not a good idea to trade against that, so. Meaning shorts are going to be less probable this morning, I think, so. We would have a lot of commissions though this morning. That's the only problem with microcongruity, I think, is the commissions. Because we would have hundreds of dollars of commissions already. So again, long trade there, right? I could just engage longs, and I think that would work out better right now. But I'm not gonna do that. But if I could choose, I would say longs are gonna be much higher probability. I could add in commissions, yes. I just haven't done that on this reinstall of NinjaTrader. I'm not sure, I don't remember exactly where to do it. Tools, commissions, short win, so we're back up 500. Where do I go? Per unit commission, minimum commission per unit. I'll do that later. That's okay. I know it's like $4 a round trip, basically. Okay, so we've had 13. No, we've had 24. So that's per contract. So we'd have a lot of commissions right now. Is that actually right? $4.98 for a round trip. Guys, also fast track trading, 0 commissions on your trades. So maybe use fast track trading for this when they come out with NinjaTrader. Come on. You got so close. Don't do that. Oh. Yeah, so fast track trading does have 0 commissions when you're trading with them. So might want to look into a firm like that. So versus $4.98 for a round trip on 1 contract. So each trade is $25 of commissions. Each trade is $25 of commissions. Sell. That's a buy. Tap us for a win. Don't. Oh my gosh. You're getting so close, man. I'm losing my train of thought. So we'd have $500 of commissions already. So we're negative $250 roughly with commissions. So we've had $500 of commissions. Yeah, I agree. I don't think there's really a need for commissions on the prop firms. Like, I don't know. But hopefully the market can settle down a little bit. I think with these settings, you do want it settled down a little. You want it a little more rangy, not chop, just a little bit more pullback range to it. There's a lot of movement this morning that I think would have done better on market orders. Like this trade, we would have got short around here. That would have won already. Brett is down, coming back up from negative 200. Gotcha. I like to stream for SBS, will be great. We have SBS in the background, but I've mentioned SBS is less entertaining. We've had no trades on SBS this morning. This is like, you know, you're getting a lot of trades, more action. People like to watch it more, so. Justin did get a YM win though. Justin in the chat. Short here caught, what was that, 70 points on YM short with the algo. So, yeah, really good. $700 on that. I don't even care if I make money with my algo. I want you guys to make money. I just want you guys to do good. That's, yeah, I was gonna say that's a loss. So at this point, we're negative $600 basically with commissions. So we're down a lot. The market decoy settings are taking less trades, so we wouldn't be down quite as much. I mean, we're still down. So let's look. We've had 14 trades on market decoys versus 27 on Connors. So about half the commissions. Yeah. Your market decoy is up 187. Why is mine so different? Because I have a VPS or something? I'm watching. I see that. Tap me in. Oh my gosh. Oh. Tap me for the win. No, you're gonna stop me out again. Dang it. It's doing that so much, man. Interesting though, Nate. Yeah, you're up a decent amount. Am I running the wrong settings? Come on, give me a few wins in a row. Give me a few wins in a row here, man. Don't... Okay, I was gonna say. Give me a few wins. Give me up to 1,000. I'm not asking for that much. Interesting. You guys have Myco Congruity on? Oh my gosh, you're gonna stop me out again. Don't do it. Oh, good. Sheesh. And long trespass on... And micro, gotcha. Win there, so crawling back. We're gonna tap into the counter spoof. We did. Some buy orders. Are we gonna come back up? No, we're not. That lost. That lost. Looks like it wants to lose at least. Okay. We're still barely up with commissions. I think we're probably break even at this point. So we've probably had about $700 of commissions. So I don't know if you guys know how much commissions Connor had on Friday. Had to be a lot though. Had to be a lot. Because we've had a lot of trades, so hold on. I'm gonna check SBS. SBS took a short here. I don't know if we're still in it. We are still in it. Our trail stop didn't hit. We were 20 points in profit, so that one might crawl back and lose on us, but yeah, we were 20 points in profit there. I thought I had my trail to trail sooner. I might have the wrong trail on that though for the 15-second chart. Might have the wrong trail. I think on the 15-second I mean to have it trail at like 15 to 20 points of profit because the moves aren't as big. So Curtis descent again. Yeah, Curtis went off on Friday. I do have a lot of commissions though. I don't know if Connor knows. Oh, Curtis just said. I have probably $700, $800 of commissions already. It's very trendy this morning too, which makes limit orders arguably worse because it's canceling a lot of trades, but limit orders do pretty good in the choppiness, ranginess, but it's tapped us out a lot this morning too. Come on, man. You're right there. Right there. I don't like how it's stalling. It's not good. Can I keep SBS chart next, guys? I'm not gonna, Sam. I just have it in the background. Because it's less entertaining, so. Oh, I know it's out. I have my 15-second SBS to exit half my position at a fib level. So we made 350 and then it's still in because I have it set up I think a little off. When I have it scaled, I should have stopped to break even, so should have made about 350 on that. I just threw it all together this morning, so should have made about 350 on that SBS trade. I'm not sure about that. We had a lot of orders canceled, but we could have gotten slippage and lost on those, but I'm not sure. We'd have to look back. You have retail commissions do fine. Nice win there. I think Apex is just a pain with commissions, like $5 a round trip just about per contract. So it's like, that's bullish. That's probably stopping. Oh, okay. $1,000 on Connors, and we're still down a little. So each, 4 contracts, it's roughly $20, $25 with commissions. And we've had a lot of trades, obviously because we have micro congruity off. So, but firms like Fast Track Trading or something, they have no commissions, so I'll be looking at them for this. So, all right, we're eating now. We're eating. See, it's a little more rangy. You can do micros, yeah. Hopefully we don't give this back. Hopefully we keep crawling. Okay, we're eating. We're eating. So at the most, we were down about $500 with Connors. With market decoys, we were down about 500 as well. Market Decoys is taking less trades for us. Obviously, oh, that's a little bullish. We lost there. I do understand you're not supposed to leave everything on all the time, right? But I like to do it anyway, so. Because I can do what I'd like. Ooh, bullish. That's almost instant stop, and it does. So 2 losses in a row there. This is my only problem with microcongruity off. We've had 40 trades, so that'd be, call it $20 a trade. No, we haven't had 40 trades. There's no way. Have we actually? I don't think we've had 40 entries. It might be counting multiple contracts as a trade. Connor, someone might have to remind me of that. I think it counts multiple contracts on some of that, so we definitely have, maybe we have, probably $800 of commissions though, so we're basically break even. Basically break even right now. I know Nate's up on Market Decoys right now, so a little odd, but I don't know if my VPS has something to do with that. Yeah, Market Decoys up on, or Nate is up on Market Decoys. And I think he's flat on Connors, so it's kind of odd. Kind of odd, but... Do you know what's really impressive, though, is Ollie. Ollie is up like $700 to $800 on counter spoof only, whatever settings he's using on ES. Like, literally counter spoof only activated. And he's running 2 contracts, I think. Let me see. 1 contract, maybe. I think 1 contract. So, like, $800 on 1 contract. Might, maybe it's, no, that's, yeah, counter spoof. So, yeah, whatever Ollie's doing. Hey, AP, how's it going today? So we are green. Depends on which prop firm you'd be on. Okay, because some, like a prop from like Apex, these are going to be burnt a lot from commissions. Software is still doing pretty well, but commissions are going to burn a hole. If you go to a firm like Fast Track Trading, there's no commissions, so we would be up exactly 1,050 right now. So it really depends on your firm. You got to choose wisely. Okay, just thought I'd throw that out there. That would not have happened without a VPS. I'll tell you that. That fill right there, yeah, that would not have happened. Almost guarantee it. That was pretty nice. We're gonna pop back up, fill these. It's quite a bit above, but I don't love that. Okay. You know, I do think a VPS is like I visually see it improving some of these fills, like where it's actually maybe filling when it taps it, right? Where if we didn't have that, a lot of times it just taps it, never fills, right? Noticing more tap and fills, if that makes any sense to you guys. Drop down. No, 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 no. Come down here. No, no, don't go up. Don't go up. Come on. No, no, no. Oh, okay. Why don't I leave your prepaid commission schedule? Could I share the settings? Settings I showed at 9:05 a.m. Eastern, so about exactly an hour ago on stream, if you want to rewind. Prepaying commissions would be a little odd. I'll let you guys keep fighting it out in the chat. It's too enjoyable. Connor, I was saying to the chat earlier, I really enjoy the new you on live streams. Like I was saying, you know, if people sass me when I'm live streaming, I love to throw some sass back, right? Or just delete their comments, you know, whatever. I love that you're getting there and you're just sassing them back. I love it. Adds a lot. Keep throwing sass. Keep throwing sass. They are different, Tony, and I showed both at an hour ago. Instant loser. Yikes. That's okay. Would have lost anyway without limits, so. Buy. Wouldn't mind that. Oh, I was gonna say I wouldn't mind that buy looking at the chart. Didn't give it to us though. So yeah, the fees, it really depends on the firm you're on. So wouldn't mind this buy either. Doesn't look like it wants to tap us. Hopefully we don't knife down. It's pretty volatile today. I mean, I wouldn't want to trade till after the election. That's why we're in sim. Nice, yep. I like how the chart looked there. Ninja and Tradeovate. Prepaid schedule. Buy down some of the cost in exchange for a discount. I get what you're saying. You're just, if you expect to trade a certain amount of contracts per month or something, you pay a certain amount for a little discount. But well, it really does depend on the firm though. Like fast track trading, 0 commissions. I have a fast track trading account. If you make $100, you keep $100. There's no, you know, no commissions. So could be really nice with fast track trading. Look into that. That was another beautiful fill. I'm liking the VPS today. I was thinking maybe on Friday, the reason I did bad is because my settings that I used on Thursday when I made it $1,500, I was not using a VPS, and maybe those settings were tuned around no VPS or something, you know. And a VPS, you know, you need to tune some settings differently. I thought about that, so I don't love that trade. Kind of limits holding. See if we can pop through. A small loss at the worst. That's okay. Wouldn't mind a tap. Oh, tapped out. Yep. Okay. That's interesting. What you guys are talking about in there. Very interesting. Keep it going though. It's like our Ninzarenko was in a trade. I've never used Ninzarenko on live, so I'm just playing around with that. With SBS. That doesn't look good. See if we can bounce up at least to a small loss, maybe. Nope, knifed us. Some of these trades are doing really well for us, and we're getting filled really, really beautifully. I can't really argue with some of these fills. I mean, they're working really, really nice. I'm gonna imagine that we're not on an Apex account and that we're on a fast track trading account, or a firm with no commission who uses Rhythmic. That's what I'm gonna be imagining. So, also, I'm pretty sure fast track trading does have free level 2 data. Just throwing that out there as well. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Curtis. Curtis, just depends on which prop firm you're on again. Like, if you have no commission prop firm. But, yeah, you guys should email each other. Let me see. But yeah, fast track trading here. You can see their accounts. Let me show you. It's like 150K account. You get, it's a 7,500 drawdown end of day. Really, really nice. Now they have a discount, so it's like 300 bucks maybe. We're getting a trade there, sell. But end of day drawdown, level 2 data for free. There's no commissions again. So Fast Track's just such a good firm. As soon as they release Ninja Trader, they do have consistency rules. So you got to be pretty consistent with how much you're making each day, which is kind of, you know, a pain, but overall. Uh-oh, Connor retracted his message. Another win, nice. I like this. So again, our target for the day was 2,000. I said it's a race to $2,000. If you guys rewind, I said it was a race to 2,000. So, uh-oh, come on, give us one more win. Give us it. No. I like all the liquidity down here, but there's not a lot holding us down. So any sort of buyer comes in, we're stopping. It doesn't look like it wants to go down on the chart, candlestick chart. We'll see though. At least make it a small loss. Come on. Come on. You got one tick away. Come on. You got one tick away there from making it a small loss. Drop. Oh, come on. That was so unfortunate. 100 lots? I don't know about that, Curtis. This isn't 100 lots. Fast track trading, there's people who scalp all the time. I think that's why they have no commissions, because they know they have a big scalping community. And I don't know, yeah. So that short was interesting there. It almost seemed like we didn't get a limit. Like that wasn't great. So down 500 there. 2 losses in a row. Really unfortunate. We were so close to that 2,000 target. After commissions, he had 2,500, which means you had to have been up like 4 grand with the commissions, or before commissions, sorry. Market Decoy using settings, doing well today. Oh, is Market Decoy in here? Oh yeah. Market Decoy, you up crazy right now? I thought I was using yours on the left. I mean, I think they are. Wow. We are at, that was 4 losses in a row. That's very unfortunate there. Dead even right now? With me or break even? Again, I mean, I'm not going to trade a real account until election's over, so. Break even? Yeah, I gotcha. Yeah, I mean, I think the conditions are going to be really weird until election's over, so these trades, you know, you can count them. You can count them, see how it's doing, but I don't think anything algo related is going to perform normal, I guess. So that's what I think. Shout out Hutch and Q Trader halfway to payout. 9 days on 50, 4 days on 250. And cash count is back up 1,000. Shout out Hutch, making some good progress. Nice short there. Let's see if we can tap down. These trades sketch me out today because we're so bullish, then we're so bearish, and then it's just chop, and then I don't know. Oh, we've gotten tapped out quite a bit for the small loss as well. Oh, you got 1 tick, dude. You got 1 tick away. You're gonna tap us out for a loss? Okay. Well, we got everyone in here this morning. Thanks. Awesome. Curtis is a troll. Alright, chill out, everybody. Chill out. Connor, please reply to my email. Probably started running this trade at different times. Maybe. Yeah, I started when a minute after market opened. Sean, are you actually up 30K? Alright, I saw you've been doing some PA accounts. How's your PA accounts going? I am running SBS in the background, yes, AP. I'm just not showing it because this is more entertaining for people to watch, so. But, some of these trades do sketch me out though. Like this trade, I could put money on it that I would lose, but it won. So again, our target for the day was 2K. I would love it if we could hit that. We were really close to the 2K, and then had 4 losses in a row. Now we're crawling back a little. Like this short I would like generally, but we've had stuff like this all day, top of the range short, where it would tap us and then it would just pop right up. So I'm not sure, you know, I'm not sure. It's just so whippy today, which is because of the election, I can almost promise you. Big range too, I didn't realize. We've moved down 25 points, gotten that short. Down 25 points and then up 27 points. So like here, I almost guarantee we pop up and break out. That's what we've been doing all day. It's like a fake out and then we do actually break out. I could. I mean, I have it running in the background. I can show you guys here once this trade's over. I just have some different bar settings. So our 1 minute chart right here, this account is our default settings. But I'm testing out a new update that we're gonna try and pump out pretty soon. So this looks like it wants to go. Really does. Yep. Okay. We have SBS in the background here. 15-second chart is up a tiny bit. 1 minute chart, this is our default setting stuff. No trades so far, and I'm testing out. So these two I'm testing. I haven't used those bar charts because 1 minute is how I traded it manually. So got into a long there. Hopefully we don't have 4 losses in a row. Nice, okay. Yeah, 1 minute is the standard, yes. Anything else is, you know, like just for everyone joining here, in our SBS chat, we had one guy backtest market replay yesterday. 1 minute chart, default settings, the whole September contract, so from 6/17 to 10/11. It's kind of small. Made 16,500 with a 3,500 drawdown. And it was a little bit negative, basically break even in that month. Then this month 4K, this month 6, this month 6. Right, so pretty good. That was running from 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. I think he said. Let me see what he said. 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern. Yeah. So that's kind of our standard, right? Anything else is, you know, like if you run like a 15-second chart, you're gonna be prone to more losses, obviously, right? It's kind of the same here. Like if you lowered the range bar to like a 2 range, you're probably gonna get forced into more setups, right? And they're not gonna be necessarily high quality, right? Yeah, how much you up, Nate, since 10? Or I got your stream pulled up. Give me 2 wins. 2 wins and I can hit the 2K mark. 2 wins, man. Come on. It was a race to 2,000. And you are the only one who's going to win that race. Okay, give me 1 more win. 1 more win. Come on. This is the trade. Come on. This is the trade here. Tap us in. Okay. Okay. Give me a short, like at 68.50 then. Oh, 67.50? Okay. Tap us. Tap us. Tap us. Don't lose. Oh my gosh, you are trolling me. Well, this is only giving us counter spoof. Connor only gives us counter spoof, for sure. L2. We have. Let me deselect these. Oh, we've gotten 1 trespass trade, and it was up 200. And then the other 60 trades. Oh my gosh, are you gonna seriously burn a hole now? We've gotten to $1,800 twice. We've gotten to 1,800 twice on Connor settings. I just wanted 2K. Maybe we'll just go for 1,800. Oh no, we're bullish. We are breaking out and it's shorting. Uh-oh, that doesn't look pretty to me. That's definitely tapping out for loss. It's no shot. So last time we reached 1,800, it lost 4 trades in a row. This time we got to 1,800. It was 2 losses in a row, then we just won. So, yeah, the market's crazy right now, though. I mean, let's look at the chart. Wouldn't mind that buy, actually. We could tap in. Never mind. I don't want it. Okay, never mind. No, left side's market decoy. Right side is Connor. Don't do it to me. Don't. Man, every time we've gotten to 1800, both times, it just pulls right back to 1,000. We lose 4 trades. Connor said he's gonna keep it like this for a while. But this chart is pretty crazy today. Yeah, down 25, up 25, down 12, up 15. So it's pretty volatile, which isn't necessarily bad. It's just, it's making it tricky. Why not filter for direction? Because it's, you don't know what direction the market's going to go next, generally. I mean, I told you guys earlier when ES was at like 57.57 that it was a V-shaped reversal and you shouldn't trade against it. And then, you know, I said longs would probably work better, which we did end up going up. I mean, we can just check the trade performance. And so we can check the trade performance. Let me see. Long trades, short trades. So we've had more losses on the short trades today compared to longs, as I did expect. But we're still net up. We've just had more drawdown. So Joey's down, Brett is down with my settings. I'm not with settings either. Could be VPS related. People who are on a VPS are down, and people who aren't are up. Maybe Bao, are you not on a VPS? I was thinking, you know, VPS could have something to do with it, because some days VPS is going to help you, some days it might hurt you, honestly. Me, Curtis? Yeah, I mean, I can. And then market decoys. We are only trespass trades. We've gotten 33 trades, 52% win rate, basically. Shorts are worse today, yes. So, as I expected. You know, shorts are worse for both today. Which I completely expected. I said that about 35, 40 minutes ago. But that's okay. Oops. Oh my gosh, dude. It just Market's just trolling right now. Looks like it just wants to give us a perfect, nice trade, no drawdown, and then it just moves right back up. Give us a win, man. Give us a win. Don't do it. Don't tap us out for a stop. You're right there. Okay. Oh, I know. I'm running sim though. I just want to test it. You know, like it did pretty well this morning. I'm aware. You know. If I was on a real account right now, yeah, I'd stop. But we're just simming. So, you know, take into effect that my cutoff point is usually the first hour, so 10:30. So call it here. Say the first hour, we were up $1,400 before commissions. Okay, depending on your firm, you know, with Apex, you might only end up being up $500 probably. With fast track trading, you'd be up 1,400 because there's no commissions. So take that for what you want, right? So just remember, first hour, we were up 1,400. That's what I'd like to do. So anything after, I say is a bonus, or you know, we don't count it. So if we make more money, then that's great. If we lose money, well, that's why we only trade the first hour, right? But yeah, the SBS today, oh, looks like 15 Second just entered another trade, so we can look at that. Oh, okay, just entered a short. I'm gonna actually drag my stop here to break even. So it entered a short at 20,189. We just had it take profit partly here at 175, so that's a short. This is live on stream for you guys, okay? In another trade here, I think it stopped us out for a small loss. So yeah, we took about 15 points of profit there, and we have our last here, right at the 2-to-1 area. Okay. Ninzarenko. You can see Ninzarenko also in a trade long. I'm testing Renko. I've never used Renko on this, so I'm not sure how it does. We're in micros, so we're in 27 micro contracts, because that's what we have our risk tolerance on. Looks like Counterspoof gonna lose again. Counterspoof lost again, so down to only up $1,100. Keep this on for a second, just so you guys kind of see the auto trader in action. So I would generally, with Ninzarenko, have it trail more right now. But I have my ATMs a little off, so micro stopped us out, or 15 seconds stopped us out for break even, and Ninzarenko there. We check on counter or over here, up 1,100, so we were up about 1,400 or so first hour. So we burn a little hole so far. I'll keep the P&L up. We can watch this a little bit, but yeah, I haven't used Ninzarenko at all, so looks like a clean sweep. Kind of setting stumbling around the finish line, sitting still in it for the 2K race. Yeah, I don't know. Got a long way to make up, because trespass over here really it's only $100 per win, so there needs to be 27 wins in a row. short there. This is right at the absorption level we marked out. I don't love that at all, actually, but again, you know, we were up pretty good the first hour, so we'll keep that in mind, right? I'll leave it going for 20 more minutes or so and see where we end up from the 10:30 to 11 time, but you know, I'm not expecting it to be good because, yeah. Disappointing though. I obviously want it to be good all the time. Renko got close to that final TP there. Or SBS trader. 2 points away from final TP. He definitely should have moved stops to probably break even at that point, but right there. You're right there, man. You don't want to do it? Oh, okay. Okay, so that's a win. Just tapped us, so that's about $1,000 on that trade there. So we're up $400 on that account. Looks like counter spoof just lost. No, that won. Counter spoof won. 27 wins in a row. Yeah, I know. Improbable, not impossible. That's very true. I would like to see this hit 2K profit, but I really don't know if it's gonna happen today. We got to 1800 twice, and it was just fiddling around. We literally hit 1800 twice, and then on the last trade to get us to 2000, it got one tick away from our target like this each time, and then it came back up and stopped us. Just like it's doing right now. Got one tick away, and then it came back up. Ninja Renko settings is what Kevin shared in our SBS chat yesterday. Again, man. Come on. Just doing so good and then oops. It's still green, but depend. You know, after commissions at this point, we'd probably be flat, so. Yeah. Justin, nice. Daily profit goal met. SBS auto trader on YM. Evaluation account. $990. Nice, Justin. So we are currently green 300 on 15 second. Green 400 on Ninzarenko. Let me take I'm just going to share that with the group so they can see a little bit. SBS is our auto trader that we have in the timeless group. Tony. Looks like we might be wanting to pull back down here. Oh, that was a real shame. We got real close to tapping in there. check on Nate. Nate is green on both Market Decoy and Connor. Funny. Let's check on... Oof, that's rough. I don't like that. I only don't like this trade because of what we've been seeing today, where it looks like a good sell, and then every time it looks like a good sell, it just pops up. Ah, okay. I like that trade. Never mind. Limits too far away. Missing wins. So on the right here, Airmere, we have Connor's settings from Friday. And then on the left, we have Market Decoys, which just isn't doing great today, but I know people have been doing really good with it. So I don't know if I did something wrong. I think Market Decoys said he's not doing super hot either today. He's around break even. Got a sell win there, and looks like this is long. I don't love that long at all, but I'm just not a huge trespass fan yet. I haven't earned, I haven't had my love yet for it, but yeah, just a bad day sometimes. I expect L2Azimuth and I expect our SBS auto trader to lose today. I really did. Right now, my stuff's green on SBS, and we're green on Connors, but with the election on tomorrow, I don't expect it to do good. I really don't. I would wait till after the election to trade an account I care about, for sure. Come on, are we gonna charge to the 2K mark? Come on. Tap us for a win. No. Don't break out. Don't break out, man. A lot of random breakouts today. A lot of random volume spikes, right? That's gonna tap us out for a loss. Yep, okay. Yeah, a lot of random volume spikes today. We can see here. Just random, right? Generally, we are descending in volume while we're moving up, so that's a discrepancy there. But interesting. That is interesting. Yeah, I'm down quite a bit on Market Decoys. I think these are so in here. Mainly just trespass. But that's alright. Not worried about it. That's why we're in sim today, right? If any of you are looking for L2Azimuth, I have a link in the description. If you guys want to use that. Also, link to join our Discord in the description. It's free to join, so might as well join it. Might as well. I would like that sell. I would like that sell if you could tap me in. Nope, okay. That's correct, nothing's gonna win every day, right? I don't like that sell. That's really close. But it wins, oh, sheesh. Sometimes when the market moves so fast like that, like it dropped here, it threw the limit up 3 ticks and it just instantly hit it. It almost looks like a market order, because it moved down, instantly tapped us. It almost seems like you got market filled. All right, guys, moment of truth. We're back at the 1800 mark. Every time we've hit 1800, we get like 4 losses in a row afterwards. Is this gonna be the trade? Is this gonna be the trade? Come on, man. Every time we get 4 losses in a row after we hit 1800. Don't do it to us. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. Same situation over there? Yeah. Are you trading right now, Connor? Come on. Give me that 2,000 and I'll be done. I will. Promise. Yep, me too. Come on, come on, come on, man. Give me one nice fill. Tap me in right here. Pop down. Come on. Come on. Tap us. Don't do it to me. Let's end the day on a good note here. Don't do it. No. No, it looks like it wants to go up. No. Come on. Don't do it. Wow. I'm speechless. Every time we hit 1800 today, we just lose like 4 in a row. This is gonna... Oh, there it is. There's 2 in a row. We have that ultimate 1800 price rejection. There's a order flow once we hit 1800, just comes in and says no thanks. No thanks. Time to blame the market makers. Yep, I agree. For screwing with our sim account. God dang, my sim account, man. It's seeing my orders. And, you know, everyone in the live stream right now is just putting their orders here, so the market's manipulating. Here's going to be our 3rd loss in a row. Yep, there it is. So, oh, God. Oh, God, man. Yep. Insanity. Oh, every time, man. 1800. We've hit it 3 times today. And every time it just says, nah, let's bring you back down. Let's bring you back down. I mean, I usually only trade the first hour anyway, and we were up like $1,400 in the first hour, so, you know, keep that in mind, right? Usually we'd be done anyway, up 1,400. This is all just more testing, so yeah. So we usually you lose 4 trades in a row, so I'm expecting to lose this trade, and then we should win the next trade, is what I'm thinking. So we should lose this trade, and then we'll win the next one, if the theory of 1800 is correct. So we should lose this trade. We should stop out. Let's see. Oh, okay. Maybe the curse is broken. Let's see. If we lose this trade, the curse is still on. If we win this trade, the curse is... We're going to 2,000, so... If we lose the next trade, the 1800 curse is still active. All right, that doesn't look very pretty, but let's see. Ay, don't do it to me, man. How are you guys doing in the chat, though? You guys green? You guys red? What are you guys doing? That does not look pretty. That's gonna stop us out for the 2-tick. It's getting choppy up here. We got drive zones everywhere. We got some absorption here. We have absorption here. Market choppy. Yeah, okay. Screw you, man. So we took a loss on the 15-second in the Ninzarenko. That's why I tell you guys call it early on days like this where it's before a big news event, aka the election. What was the loss? A short? So yeah, a short here that lost, where it was 20 points in profit, but for some reason I think I have the wrong trail on and it didn't trail. So we were 20 points in profit on that trade as well, so that's okay. And then this trade, this trade also I have the wrong trail. This trade was also 20 points in profit, so that's on me. But trade with limits on brokerage still, yeah. Connor, you should be up about the same as me, right? I mean, you're using 5 contracts, I'm using 4. So you're probably up $1,000. I don't know where I'm at, but curious, Connor, when you trade your brokerage, do you what hours do you usually trade? Like, you're up 1,300 after commissions? You must be up pretty good then, because or how much? What's your commissions on your brokerage account? First 45 minutes now you do your brokerage? Gotcha. $700 in commissions. How much is it per round trip for you? It's got to be half of what Apex is, yeah? Gotcha. Yeah, for everyone in the chat, I would look into fast track trading. They do pay out. They have a payouts tab here. They pay out people all the time. There's, you know, people profits all the time. They're actually the most paid out firm, I think, in the last like 60 days or 90 days. But they have no commissions, so. And good end of day drawdown rules, so I would definitely look at them. They're not crazy outrageously priced, so. Do they allow bot scalping? I mean, I'll be honest with you, most firms don't check. There's not really a way for them to know. Like, unless they're saying, I need you to record a trading session, right? Which you can, again, you can just fake that, but I'm not saying you should, I'm just saying theoretically. Apex does allow bots, though. Yeah, they only have a valid day, trading day rule. Gotcha. Yeah, most companies don't like it, but again, most companies can't really tell. I think so. Yeah, this is not financial advice. This is entertainment only. So again, we were up 1400 first hour. So we've lost 300 in the past 30 minutes. We've just kind of been running loops. If we win this trade, we basically... Nope, doesn't look like it. Over below C number. So we're basically flat. Since 10:30, we are basically exactly flat. So we haven't made any money, we haven't lost any money. So you think so, Gio? I mean, I think I've noticed even with the limits, it does seem to, you know, get us in that queue. I know we're on sim, but I bet you would, yeah, probably would be better even on a live account. Obviously, or a different data feed, like, you know, CQG, IQ feed, something like that. Kintech. Still does matter a little bit because it gets you in the queue faster. Where like this, if you're not on a VPS, it might not, like if it comes up and taps, see if it does. If it comes up and touches it, it may not fill you if you don't have a VPS. But if you do have a VPS, it might fill you on the tap. If that makes, you know, sense to you, but. Still would love to see us hit the 2,000 mark, but I don't know how long I should stay, so. No problem. Didn't get that fill. Trespass sell here. Counter spoof sell up at 63.50. Let's see if we get that. Target filled here and canceled order there. You just got L2 today, Brett? Nice. Don't have VPS. Definitely don't need a VPS. I just got one a day ago. You know, it's a real shame though that you didn't use my link to get L2. It's a real shame. Oh my god, dude. We're just running circles right now. Instant loss? Looks like it. Or are you gonna come back down? Trespass. Nice. So I think what I'll do is I'll stay on live until we hit 2K or we dip back under $900. So we're either gonna hit 2K or we're gonna, you know, hopefully we don't range in the middle because I'm not gonna stay that long, but. Yeah, I'm not getting tons of trades on decoys either, but it still does matter a little bit, I think, Kevin, just because it gets you in the queue faster where, you know, if you touch the limit order, like without the VPS, I had a lot of times where it would touch my limit and never fill me. Now I feel like I'm getting a little bit filled a little easier with the limits, but looks like I want. Are we gonna stop out or are we gonna win? Doesn't look very good. Assuming a stop here. Yep. Instant. Oh. Oh. Whoa. Okay, guys. So we're basically at our 1800 area right now. So watch out, Connor. If you're in here, watch out. We're at our I'm at my 1800 level, so that means you're probably, you know, near your level where it's gonna reject the profit. So we need 2 wins. 2 wins to hit our 2K. Can we do it? Can we do it? Let's check. We have had a there's a oh, it's gonna lose. Yep. Instant loss. Oh no. Come on, dude. I just want to end the live stream. I don't want to. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you should. Should stop, because here we go. Our come on, man. Again? Dude. Every time, man. Every time we hit 1800, it just says no thanks. And then we lose 4 in a row. Let's see. We're gonna lose this one. We should lose this one, right? According to our theory. So yep, there we go. Oh god. You know how bad I just wanna punch a monitor? Even though we're on sim, I still just 1800 curse is confirmed. Everyone take note. We've hit 1800 now 3 times. No, 4, I think. 4 times we've hit $1,800. And we've lost 4 in a row afterwards. 54% win rate today. We've gotten 1 trespass trade. They sell, so we should lose this trade if we get filled. So I'm expecting us to lose this trade as well. Okay, so this trade's definitely losing, so that's our 3rd loss. I don't know. Yep, there's our 3rd loss, so 1 more loss and I'm going to end the live stream. So if we go under 900. After commissions AP, we'd be negative. I can guarantee you. Because with Apex commissions, it's like $25, I round up by $1. $25 per trade. We've gotten 100 trades, so we would have... Is that right? Is that right? There's no way that's right. We'd have $2,000 of commissions on Apex? Does that sound right? I think it does sound right. So if you're gonna do this, I think you need... yeah, we'd be down like 1,000 with commissions on Apex. So I think you need to use like a firm like Fast Track Trading or something. Something that has no commissions. Let me see. Well, Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't think we've actually taken 100 trades. I think it counts some like multiple contracts. Since we're running 4 contracts, you know, we haven't only gotten 20 trades, but sometimes it counts like a double, right? So, you know, I don't know if that makes sense, but this total number of trades, like I don't think we haven't actually had 100 executions, but so this is probably the last trade because we're gonna lose it regarding our curse of 1800, so we should lose. So I'm gonna turn that off. I'm gonna turn this off. Yep, okay, so after commissions, we'd basically be break even, a little negative. But we were up 1400 after the first hour, which is the first hour is usually my cutoff point anyway. So we did get to $1,800 3 times. We'll come back tomorrow. Again, I don't think today's a great day for the market anyway because of election tomorrow. So good first hour. That's, yep, Joe, that's the point. Good first hour. I think after commissions first hour, we probably would have been around $1,000 up, you know, something ish, a little less maybe, but still pretty good. Yeah, first hour was good. Last 40 minutes, not the best, but that's all I'm gonna do for today, guys. SBS, a little negative, but that's because my trail stops are a little off. We had a range chart. Yeah, range bar, took a trade. So the Ninzarenko actually 2 trades basically profitable. This one I just forgot to have the trail. The 15-second, 2 trades that were both. This one was, or actually there was multiple trades. All of them were in profit, pretty like at least 20 points at some point. 1 minute, no trades. But anyway. Have a good day, guys. I'll be live tomorrow. So we'll see how we do tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. And thanks for joining, guys. I'll see you.